Welcome to English class. Hope all of you are safe at home. In the last class we have discussed about Japan, or we have gone to Japan and helbodu, right? So yeah, the experience of the poet. So that is about Japan. What are the things we have discussed in Japan? So that is privacy, bowing, eating soup. So now already we have taken, or already we ate soup, right? So you remember that? Yes. Okay. So in the first class I have told that the experience in the life always matters. So that is maybe good or bad. So if it is good, it is better for our future, or if it is bad, that is also important, because that we are not going to repeat such things, or we will understand, or we will get a teaching from that experience, or we get a thought from that bad experience. So that's why that experience always matters. Okay, hope all of you are studying. So because it is we can't explain what is going to happen, or is that we are having the school or not, that doesn't matter. So please read and start reading now itself, because it is already November, or because already we reached, that is after the midterm, we maybe at that time we are. So that's why. Okay, so here in this, the next part, so Japan, which we have discussed in the last class. So hope you have understood what I have taught. So now he is talking about Brazil. So ಈಗ ಅವನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು, that is George Mikesh talking about Brazil. So Brazil ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ, so that he remembers the traffic in Brazil. So he talks about the traffic in Brazil. So terrific traffic ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. So he is talking about that traffic. So if you are having textbook, please open the textbook and read it. So otherwise you can have the PDF also. So here, so in traffic, what he is explaining, that is in Brazil. So that is about traffic. If you have textbook, open it. So nobody hurries in Brazil. So he says that nobody, so which is written in capital letters. Why? So because nobody, so ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವುದನ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತದ್ದು, that's why nobody ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. So nobody hurries in Brazil. So nobody hurries in Brazil. It does not really matter whether you reach your destination an hour too soon, a day late, or not at all. So people are not at all interested, or people are not at all bothering about when they are going to reach their destination. So if we are reaching a little bit later, then we will start scolding somebody else, because of you I was late, all that things, or we will murmur ourselves. So that is because of them we are late, we are getting late. So we are rushing, even in the roads we start driving like anything, right? So because it was too late ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ಕಾರಣ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ, but people of Brazil, they are not at all hurrying. So they are not at all interested. So even though they are having function, they are not, it is not a matter for them when they are going to reach for that. The grey pavements in the streets of Copacabana are often decorated with beautiful black mosaics. So okay, so which can say that the people of Brazil are very interested, that is to decorate their streets. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯನ್ನೇ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ ನಮಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ದೆನ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ cleanliness in the roads or in the streets, right? So here the people of Brazil, or Brazilians, so they are having the interest, that is to beautify their streets. So pavements means the street, the one who is walking in the roadside. So there is a separate place for them, the people who are walking. So pedestrians. So athwa one who is walking called as pedestrians. So those who are walking in the pavements. So adanna aa place anna ನಾವು pavements ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿಬಹುದು. So the path which is meant for the pedestrians. Okay, the grey pavements in the streets of Copacabana. So one of the place in Brazil. So Copacabana are often decorated with the beautiful black mosaics. So people are very interested. So if you Google it, you can get it. So Copacabana, people of Brazil, they were very interested, that is to beautify Copacabana, the streets of Copacabana with black mosaics. So important for one more question, please remember. So black mosaics. So they were very interested, they are decorating their streets with the black mosaics. A unique type of decoration only people alive to beautify in their surroundings and who have plenty of time for contemplation during their meditative ambulatory exercises would take the trouble to decorate the pavements they walk on. So people are very interested, so they are having the only time, so they are having the plenty of time, so that is to decorate. So even at the time of meditative or so ambulatory exercise, the walking exercise. So ambulatory exercise, what do you mean by? Ambulatory means walking. So walking exercises. So walking exercises, ambulatory exercises means walking, walking exercises. So would take the trouble to decorate the pavements they walk on. Sometimes it is maybe difficult for them when people are walking or when people are meditative. So at that time it is very difficult for them, or it is a trouble for the people who are decorating their pavements. So however, as soon as these easygoing, leisurely characters get a steering wheel in their hands, no speed is fast enough for them. Very important. So all this is, hope you have got it. Okay, so the people are very leisurely characters, so they were very interested in decorating, but as soon as they get the steering wheel, so leisurely people means one who is not having one who is unhurried, or we can say that relaxed people. So that leisurely characters, so when they are getting a steering wheel, so when they are getting this steering wheel, when they are getting the car, so what happens? Well, in their hands, no speed is fast enough for them. As they get the steering wheel, so they start rushing like anything. No speed is fast enough for them. No speed is enough for them. No speed is fast enough for them. So you would then be inclined. So inclined, what do you mean by inclined? Likely. So inclined means likely to believe that gaining a tenth of a second is a matter of grave importance for all of them all the time. So gaining or getting tenth of a second. So a second in each and every second is also very important for them. Second in a part enide, so adu kuda very important for them. So that much importance they are giving when they are getting the steering wheel. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್, ಸೊ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡೆಕೋರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡೆಕೋರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿರುವವರು. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಗೆಟ್ steering wheel, so they start rushing like anything. No speed is enough for them. So that is the character of them. So then he explains why. So why steering wheel is important for them. So our steering wheel yake importance anta heludana he explains. So motor cars are extremely expensive in Brazil. So import duties being crippling and murderous. So import ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂತದ್ದು ತುಂಬಾ murderous ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. So because it is very costly, so motor cars are extremely costlier for them. So some of the South American countries states are in a worse position, in a lower position ಅಥವಾ lower standard ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು in this respect, in this type. So some of the countries are like that. So that is, so motor cars are extremely costlier. So complaints are universal. So having a complaints are universal, people, the common thing. So hardly anyone can afford a car. So it is very difficult, hardly it is difficult for them to buy a car. So yes, this only means that the number of motor vehicles is growing by leaps and bounds. So but so ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಬೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಸ್, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನೆಸಸರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಸೊ ಫುಡ್, ಕ್ಲೋತಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಅವರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಮೋಟಾರ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನೀಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. So that's why, so that is, even though it is costlier, people are using, or people start buying motor vehicles is growing by leaps and bounds. So important for idiom, leaps and bounds. Leaps and bounds means rapidly. So fastly it is moving. So people are buying the motor vehicles. So almost as if, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, almost as if cars were distributed free of charge for all and sundry. So already we have discussed, right, in the first part, in the Boeing part, all and sundry, right, everyone. So that is like the motor cars are distributing for each and everyone ಅನ್ನುವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟು ರ್ಯಾಪಿಡ್ ಆಗಿ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಬೈಯಿಂಗ್ the motor vehicles. So thus the pedestrian's life is becoming more hazardous every day. Hazardous means riskier. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ಸಂಬಂಧ? ಸೊ ಮೋಟಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದಾಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆದಾಗೆ ವೈ ದ ಪೆಡೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಹಜಾರ್ಡಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? So what is the reason? So that is very important. The next part which is important. So why the life of pedestrians is important? So ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು matter. So the life of pedestrian is more dangerous. Why? Because so it is not that drivers not care about pedestrians. So he says that it is not that the drivers do not care about pedestrians. So he is not at all mentioning, or he is not say that so the drivers do care for the pedestrians. So yake reason, the trouble is that they do care about them. So illi problem anta helidre enu? So they do care, the drivers do care for the pedestrians. So that is the problem for them. So that is the problematic or the hazardous for the people. So because on that look out them, so the people start look out them, or the drivers looking towards them. Why? Because as soon as a driver notices a pedestrian step off the pavement, he regards him as a fair game. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ so it is not fire or it is not the fair what jatre kuda alla, it is fair game. Fair means it is understanding game ant helbodu. So as soon as the drivers notices a pedestrian step off the pavement, he regards him as fair game. So as soon as a pedestrian is getting out of the pavement, so yaradru obba pedestrian, so a pavement enide a dari ಕಾಲು ದಾರಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುವ ದಾರಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲು ಕೆಳಗಿಟ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ, ಸೊ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಫೇರ್ ಗೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಪೆಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೇರ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಏಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಟ್ಸ್. So suddenly as he step off to the out of the pavement, so suddenly the driver starts accelerates. So the pedestrians aga enaagtade, so the pedestrian has to jump, leap and run for dear life. ಸೊ ಆ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಟರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅವನ ಮೇಲೆ ಗಾಡಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಅನ್ನುವಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವನ ಹಿಂದಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ದ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಕಾರ್. ಸೊ ದ ಪೆಡೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ರನ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಲೀಪ್, ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ರನ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಜಂಪ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಟು ಸೇವ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಆದಾಗ ಅವನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ಅವನಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ನು ಬಂದು ಗುದ್ದಿ ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ. ಸೊ ಆದ ಕಾರಣ he rushes or he runs, he jumps, everything he does, that is to save his life. So how it will be, right? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇವನ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಗುದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 4 ಜನ ಸೇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಟ್ ನಡೀತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವನೆಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಕಾಲ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಕೆಳಗಿಟ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸೊ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಟರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಸ್ ಅವನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಜಂಪ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ರನ್ ಟು ಸೇವ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಲೈಫ್. He does not resent this in the least. So driver and pedestrian, like hunter and prey, smile amicably at each other. So but ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so when he is running, so he does not resent this in the least. He is not at all bothering, he not at all bother about it, athwa he is not feared of such things. So driver and pedestrian, hunter and prey smile amicably. So they smile each other, athwa with a pleasant manner they give a wish each other, a friendly wish each other. I win today, you will win tomorrow, fair enough. So it is an understanding between them. So ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ವಿನ್ ಆದೆ, ನಾಳೆ ನೀನ್ ವಿನ್ ಆಗು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೊ ಆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ದೇ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಗೋಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫೇರ್ ಗೇಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದ ವಾರ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಒಬ್ಬ ಯಾರೋ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇವನು ಹಿಂದಿಂದ ಓಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನ ಜೀವಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಿ ಬದುಕಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರು ವಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ವಿನ್ ಆದೆ, ನಾಳೆ ನೀನ್ ವಿನ್ ಆಗು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್. ಇಫ್ 2 cars are meeting, ಅಥವಾ if they are having 2 cars, so if there is 2 cars, then what will happen? The war between drivers themselves is murderous. So the war between 2 drivers is important for one more question. So 2 drivers, the war between 2 drivers is murderous. But good tempered. War between drivers is murderous but good tempered. ನಾಟ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಇರಿಟೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮರ್ಡರಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಟೆಂಪರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅವರಿಗೊಂದು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಕಟ್ ಇನ್, ದೇ ಓವರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಯು ಟು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ violently and commit all the most heinous crimes of the road and 20 times every hour. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು 20 ಸಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇವಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇವಿಲ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಡಬಾರದ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ದ ಫೈಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 2 drivers. ಸೊ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಕಾರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಕಾರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಹಿಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರನ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಇವನ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ದಟ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್. So but they smile at you the same time. So there is no anger, no hostility, no mad hooting. ಸೊ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿ ಕೂಡ ಸೊ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಕಾರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಕಾರ್ನ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಫೈಟ್ ನಡೀತಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ they smile at you. So they will smile at you, they will give a friendly smile. So there is no anger, ಸೊ ನೋ ಆಂಗ್ರಿನೆಸ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋ ಹಾಸ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಹಾಸ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ? ಸಾರಿ, ಸೊ ನೋ ಹಾಸ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಹಾಸ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ? ಯಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಯಾರಾದರೂ? ಅನ್ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಸ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ. So no unfriendly nature, they were too friendly. No mad hooting. No mad hooting. Mad hooting. What do you mean by, sorry, what do you mean by mad hooting? Yeah, hooting means noise ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, loud noise. ಸೊ ಅಥವಾ ತುಂಬ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, he start horn like anything. So that is, he start a loud noise, loud sound of the car, right? So adanna heluvanthadu mad hooting, loud noise athwa loud sound anta helbodu. He starts sounding like anything, right? So that is called as mad hooting. So there is no mad hooting. Important for one more question. No anger, no hostility, no mad hooting. What they had. So they the final he says that, so that is even the competition between, if the competition between 2 drivers takes place, then also they will maintain that good temper. So they will be friendly enough with each other or with the pedestrian. So they will not at all going to harm anyone. So they are not at all giving or they are not at all making any harm to others. So but still it is considered as a game for them. So maybe like ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರುವ ರೇಸ್ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಗೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Okay, so hope you have understood. In the next part he is talking about, very interesting, he is talking about a place called the Avenida Presidente Vargas. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, so I'll rub this ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ once again traffic ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು, but place is different. So that is Avenida Presidente Vargas. The Avenida Presidente Vargas. This is one of the place, Avenida Presidente Vargas. So is the worst place of all. So avanu nodidanta avanu padadanta experience in our worst place is this. So you stand there trying to cross the road and contemplating the truly fascinating problem. So as you want to cross the road, so when you are standing in Avenida Presidente Vargas, so in the maybe in the place of signal, so yake ant helidre, so only the Indian, we are not having that much traffic rule. So but in foreign countries they have to cross the road only in the signal point, so they can't move in wherever we want. So ನಾವು ಇರುವ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ನಮಗೆ ರೋಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. So that is the rule in the foreign countries. So they have to move or they have to cross the road only in the signals. So ಆದ ಕಾರಣ, so if you stand in a signal, that is to cross the road, you will find or you will get a fascinating problem. Fascinating means extremely interesting. So fascinating means extremely interesting. Extremely interesting problem alli kuda interesting problem, right? Strange. So fascinating problem, that is how can crumbling traffic proceed at such terrifying speed. So crumbling means moving. So how that is possible? How can crumbling traffic, moving traffic proceed at such terrifying speed? So how one can move or how one can go to the other line, so in that terrifying speed, so or in that traffic, as hour after hour passes, so without a ray of hope of an auspicious crossing. So you may witness a scene, so hours together, if you wait for crossing the road hours together, then you will not even get a ray of hope, a small positiveness, that is to cross the road. You will never find, that is to cross the road. Auspicious means favorable, in favor of you ant heli helbodu. So you will not at all get a ray or not at all get a hope in favor of you, that is to cross the road, but you will get a interesting scene there. You will get a different kind of a strange scene over there, that is a man on your side of the Avenida Vargas suddenly catches a sight of a friend on the other side and starts waving to him. So as one person is standing in the maybe left side of the road and the other person who is standing in the right side of the road, so that is the other side of the road. So when he is catching the person who is standing in the other side of the road, suddenly he looks at him and starts waving at him. He starts calling him. So as we are doing hi ant heli ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, so ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, that is he starts waving to him. So at the same time looking completely mystified. So mystified means confused. Completely confused. So that is, he will get the situation or he will confuse or he will get confused of such things. So because the reason, because so how on earth did you get over there? So in shock he asks, he shouts across, trying to make himself heard above the traffic. So ಅವನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಿರ್ಚಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ನಿಂತಿರುವವನಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, that he should listen, right? So because it is like a terrific traffic what they are having, so above that traffic he is going to be going to be shouted. So that is, how on earth did you get over there? So how it is possible? That is, you have reached that side. How? So yav riti ant heli he questions. So then now it is the side of that person, that is, he also feel the same, mystified or confused. It is the other fellow's turn to be surprised. It is the other person's time now, that is to be surprised by this naive question. So naive means innocent ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So that is their style. So naive. So I ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ double dot by double dot VE means innocent. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೋಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಆ ಇನ್ನೋಸೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್. ಹಿ ಈಲ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಈಲ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಶೌಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೌಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಶೌಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಿ shouting like anything. He eels back. ಸೊ ಆ ಈಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಿರ್ಚಾಡೋದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗಂಟಲ ನರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣುವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಿರ್ಚಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಈಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಈಲ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾನು ಭೂಮಿಯ ಈ ಕಡೆನೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದವನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದವನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಂಜ್. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ರೋಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಅಡ್ಡಾದಿಡ್ಡಿ ಓಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಸಮ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ರೋಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ರೈಟ್? So that is what we have. So but in Avenida Presidente Vargas, how it is? So they can't even cross a single road. So just imagine. So it is like they are ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲೇ parts ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನುವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ they are behaving. So that is how I was born. So I was born on this side of the earth. So at least they are having only the road traffic. So but still they are not even having, they feel that like a stranger. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಈವನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೊ ದೇ ಸಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಂಜ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಸೊ that is the situation what they have having. So that is what he explains here. So that is how the traffic in Avenida Presidente Vargas ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಅವನು ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. Hope you have understood what I have taught. So that is Japan, about Japan. That is 3 parts. Privacy, so courtesy, which is a substitution. Next, Boeing, the parts in Boeing, how they are within the family, outside, all those things. So eating soup, fearful noise. Then Brazil, the first one, fair game. Next one, Avenida Presidente Vargas. So hope you have understood and hope you are reading well. So thank you so much for watching and be prepared for the question and answer. So and we will discuss the other things. We will come with the other lessons in the next class. Thank you so much, students.